welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing multiplying decimals. And just to review here, reviewing the multiplication, I want to review the fact that multiplication is repeated addition. And for the sake of, in context of a problem, let's say I go to HEB and I buy, here's my little gallon of milk here. I'm going to buy a gallon of milk, and let's say the gallon of milk costs $3.45. And I need to purchase 4 of them. Well, saying multiplication being repeated addition, that means that is 4 groups of $3.45. And if I was to repeatedly add $3.45, it would look something like this. Remember, I line up by place values that have all the tenths place lined up, have all the hundredths place lined up, but one place lined up. That takes a lot of time. Well, that's why we learn multiplication, and that's why also, if we spend the time up front learning our multiplication facts, and then multiplication will become a much sharper tool for us to use in the future. So we're going to line up this problem. Now, to review here, let's make sure that we line up and we justify the right edge. And that is important because I'm going to stop here and I want to address the misconceptions. The misconception is that since it's like addition, we have to line it up like addition. Okay? And that's not the case. So, $3.45. Okay. The misconception is that the $3.45 is written the same, but this 4 then needs a decimal and 2 zeros to hold the place value. And that is not the case. And if we'll think about what addition is putting 2 like units together. So here are the hundredths. 5 hundredths plus 0 hundredths would be 5. Right? And that's if we added them. But the problem with multiplying like this is that 0 times 5, because I have 0 groups of 5, 0 times 5 would be 0. Well, that's not what I have here. Right? So writing in a decimal and 2 zeros as place value holders adds a lot of unnecessary steps, and it is quite efficient. And that is why we do not solve it the same way we would this multiplication problem, where we justify the right edge and leave the 4 as it is. Okay, so let's move on here. The next thing that we have to do before we start multiplying is recognizing that we have one factor here that has 2 digits behind the decimal. I'm going to write a 2 here and circle it. And in this factor 4, there are 0 digits behind a decimal. There's not even a decimal, and that's fine. That leaves us a total, 2 plus 0 is 2. We have a total of 2 digits behind the decimal in the final product. Now we have set ourselves up for success, and now we can go ahead and straight up multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. Drop the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18. 8, carry the 1. Cross that out. 4 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 3, 8, 0. The last thing is I have 2 digits behind the decimal, so I have to plug in my decimal. So now you know, if you went to the store and bought 4 gallons of milk at $3.45 a gallon, you would be spending $13.80 total.